Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new video which is all about measuring. This is all going to be about calculating perimeter, so let's have a go together. What is perimeter? So to calculate the perimeter of a shape, you need to add together all the measured sides of a shape. The total is the perimeter. So let's have a look at an example. Here we've got a rectangle. So we place the ruler on each side. Now remember, the end of the ruler isn't where we start measuring at 0. So we can say there that that side is 10 centimetres. Okay, then we can place the ruler on the other side and we can see that that one's 7 centimetres. Okay, we don't really need to do any more measuring because we should then be able to see that 10 is going to be the same as 10 centimetres because those two sides are exactly the same length, which means, guess what? That last side is 7. You've got it. Those two are going to be the same. Then what we do is we add all of those numbers together. So there they all are. Our 10 add 10, add 7, add 7. It makes 34. So how did we get there? Well, 10 and 10 is 20. 7 add 7 is double 7, isn't it? 14. So 20 add 14 gives us 34. Okay, you ready to have a go? Grab a piece of paper and a pencil and let's see if you can calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. Here's the lengths. So we've got 12 and 4. Now we should be able to figure out the other two sides knowing those two. That's right, that one's 12 and that one's 4. So what do we get when we add it all together? We've got 12 add 12, add 4 add 4. You want to pause the video to add all that together and see what you get as the perimeter. Well done if you got 32. Double 12 is 24. Add another 8 is 32. Great job if you got that, boys and girls. Here's another shape. Can we calculate the perimeter? Here's all the measurements. 6 centimetres, 5 centimetres, 5 centimetres, another 6 and a 5. So let's put them all together in a number sentence. There they are. Pause the video and write down what you think is the perimeter of this pentagon. It's 27 centimetres. Give yourself a big tick on your piece of paper if you got that. How did we get that? We've got 3 5s there, which make 15. Add another 12 is 27. Here's another shape. Oh, a triangle this time. Can you calculate the perimeter? 7, 6 and 2. Just like we did with the others. Pause the video and add up the numbers to see if you can decide what the perimeter of the shape is. Remember, we're going all the way around the shape. 7 add 6 add 2. Well done if you said 15. 7 add 6 is 13. Add another 2 is 15. Here's another shape. Can you calculate the perimeter of this one? 7, 5, 5 and 9. Remember, we've got to go all the way around the shape to calculate the perimeter. Pause the video to decide what the perimeter is. 9 add 7 is 16. Add another 10 because you've got 2 5s and you get 26. Did you get it right? Here's question 5. What kind of shape have we got this time? Well done if you think it's a hexagon, 6-sided shape. I remember hexagon because it's got an X in it. All the sides are the same. This is a regular hexagon. So if each side is 6, let's see this time if you can decide what the answer is. Is the perimeter 34? Is the perimeter 43? Is the perimeter 36? Or is the perimeter 32? This time I'm giving you some choices. Which do you think? It's not 34 and it's not 43. Will you get there faster than me? Yes, well done. It's 36. But how did we get there? Well, we know that each side is 6 centimetres, so we do 6 times 6, which is 36. The perimeter is 36 centimetres. Here's another. Let's look at the measurements. 6, 4, 8, another 4, and a 6. So what's the perimeter this time? Pause the video. Is it 30? Is it 28? Is it 18? Or is it 22? It's not 30 or 18. Which is it, boys and girls? Well done if you got 28. How did we get there? Well, you can put the 6 and the 4 together to make 10, and then 6 and the 4 together again to make another 10, and then add the 8, 28 centimetres. Here's the next shape. Let's see what you get this time. This is a funny shape. We've got to make sure we go all the way around it. So here we've got like an L shape, isn't it? So there's 2 measurements there to make sure we go all the way around. Is it 29, 22, 18 or 24? Pause the video to write it down. It's not 29 or 22 or 18. Well done if you got 24. How did we get that one then? Well, 7 add 5 is 12. Add another 3 and another 3 is 6. So 12 add 6 is 18. Add another 4 is 22. And add the final 2, 24. Here's our last one. This one looks tricky. Make sure we get all the measurements. The long sides are 5. And then we've got these points, which are 2. But we've got these tricky underneath bits that we must include, which are 1 centimetre. Pause the video to work out the perimeter. Did you get 29, 22, 18 or 24? Not 29. 22 also. Or 24. Great job if you got 18. Well done and thanks for watching. Don't forget you can rewatch any time to practice how to calculate perimeter. See you soon.